Get out!
Yo team, when you're instructing people who have absolutely no idea what to do with a firearm, you have to maintain your weapon safety rules. Treat every weapon as if it were loaded. Never point a weapon at anything you do not intend to shoot. Keep your fingers straight off the trigger until you are ready to fire. Keep your weapon on safe until you intend to fire. Know your target and what lies beyond. The tricky thing is you just sometimes can't imagine what someone's gonna do with a firearm that has no experience with a firearm. So the game is, you really have to keep an eye on them until you understand that they really know what they're doing with that firearm. What you saw there was a sympathetic response that resulted in her pulling the trigger by accident, right? So a round probably went into her shirt, and instead of keeping her finger along the side of the firearm, she put her little, as we would say in the Marine Corps, she put her booger picker inside the actual trigger guard, and was thinking, and this is a common mistake that a lot of civilians make, is they'd be like, well, I wasn't gonna pull the trigger, Well, you don't know if you're gonna pull the trigger, because as she went to grab whatever she was trying to get out of her shirt, her other finger, her trigger finger, sympathetically moved, right? So this is why you keep your finger along the slide at all times, along the frame of the firearm at all times, because then even when you do sympathetically move that finger, because you're having to manipulate and do other things, you don't accidentally pull the trigger. So no matter how cool you think you are, no matter how much control you think you have, always keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to fire. The thing about the weapon safety rules is if you honor one, you honor all of them. If you honor one, you lower the risk that even if you have an accident, you'll do damage to anything that you don't want to do damage to. So, hey, come train with us. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more willing, capable, prepared, and yes, more dangerous. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.